Yeah, now let us see how the same can be achieved in Power BI. This is the actual data. So there are in 10th department there are 3 employees with different salaries, and so this is what I have achieved. And 10th department the highest salaried employee, and 20th department the highest salaried employee. So this is a little bit tricky actually, so there is no direct formula, and in Power BI you cannot find the partition by. Now if Power BI has partition by, the task is much simpler, but unfortunately Power BI still doesn't have partition by class. Maybe in the forthcoming versions they may be adding it up, but for now it has to be achieved little bit indirectly. So this is a 3-step process actually. I'll explain very clearly what those 3 steps are. The first step is like, we have to calculate the maximum amount department wise. So what it does, like, for all the 10th department, so at salary it shows 500. That means all the 500s will come here. So for 20th department the maximum salary is 700, so all the 700s will come here. So there will be an additional column here, representing the maximum salaries department wise. Now I'm planning in the second step, like, I would like to compare this existing salary with the maximum salary. If they both are same, then keep it, else replace it with null value. So that is what is the if condition I have written. The existing salary is equal to maximum salary, so keep the maximum salary, else keep it blank. So in third step I am I'm just filtering out using filters on this visual. I just would like to remove nulls, keep only non-null values. So this is the 3-step approach that I am resorting to in order to achieve this. So let me keep all the created measures one after the other, so that we can understand how this can be achieved. The first one is like to keep the measure with the maximum value. For 10th department 500 is the maximum, so all 500s will come here. For 20th 700 is the maximum, so all 700 will come here. So let us see. The max amount I have already written this, and just I'm just keeping. So what is the formula? Just have a look. I'm just using the calculate function. I'm trying to calculate the maximum salary. So if you just see here, if you just observe here the data, you'll understand that if you see this 200, this is coming in the filter context, that where department number equal to 10 and employee ID equal to 1. My simple idea is like, I want to show the salary where department number equal to 10. I want to show the maximum salary of 10th department where department number equal to 10. So I want to remove this particular employee ID from the calculation context. So there are 2 ways to achieve this. So one is like remove filters. From this remove filters employee ID, so that this employee ID will get removed from the calculation context, or all except department number. That means keep only 10th department, keep only the department number, remove everything else from the calculation context. So I'm calculating maximum salary where all except, that means keep only department number in the calculation context and remove everything else. That means automatically this employee ID is removed from the calculation context. So if that is removed, what is happening? Observe clearly. So here for this cell I am calculating now the maximum salary where where department number equal to 10. In the 10th department the maximum salary is 500, so all 500s will come here. The same is applied to 20th department also, so all 700s will come here. So in the second step what I am trying to do, if this existing salary equal to the maximum salary, keep it, else replace this with null value. So I have written a formula, final value. Just observe what is happening. So if this salary is equal to the maximum salary, keep it. If this salary is not equal to the maximum salary, replace that with null values. It is a simple if statement. This one, I think, yeah, final. If existing salary in the cell is equal to the maximum salary, keep the maximum salary, else replace it with blank. It is such a simple formula. So now what I am trying to do, you come here, you'll understand, or else you come here, we can place it here only. So filters on this visual, the final value, only show non-null values, is not blank, apply filter. So the remaining everything will be deleted. So now if you want to remove everything else, and if you want to keep only the things that you need to keep, just like this, you can keep, or whatever. This is all like as per the requirement. So this is how we can achieve. This is a 3-step formula. First we are keeping the maximum value in each department, and second we are matching out the existing value with the maximum value. If both are similar, keep it, else remove it. Third one, use filters on this visual to show only the non-null values and remove the null values. So that's how we achieve this. So we have achieved this using both SQL Server as well as in Power BI. This is the question asked. Write the DAX formula, how you can achieve that in Power BI. Write the SQL query, how you can achieve it in SQL Server. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.